sing you a song in summer. But the fall, oh, it fell too fast, and I wanted to sing you a song around summer. And then the rains came to wash away all of my plans for the day. And I wanted to sing you a song about summer. But then everything froze. Now nobody knows when it'll next be summer. So I guess I'll just sing you a song with the sounds of summer. And I guess I'll just sing you this song with the sounds of summer.